Harbor, parked at Toy Story, and there is no lines at the security check. So they have a queue set up in the Esplanade. Got this really cool map. So now we moved up, we're in Tomorrowland, waiting to go into the launch bay, which is where they'll do our reservation check-in. Alright, hey, morning guys. So, as you know, we're here for Star Wars Galaxy's Edge today, May 31st, day number 1. We just got checked in, got our wristbands, which I can't show you because I'm holding mine.
Hold on.
Yeah.
I can't show you that other thing, but it's got Friday, May 31st, and we're now Hondo.
Yeah, so that's kind of cool. So we got our wristbands, we're ready to go. Basically, we're just hanging out now. They said...
to go here.
Yeah, they said to hang out at the Galactic Grill, then they're going to escort everyone over to the entrance behind Big Thunder Mountain, so a Big Thunder Trail, which is also different than what they originally told us. So yeah. Things keep changing this morning. But anyways, we're just going to hang out, we're going to grab some more coffee, and then we'll see you guys as we enter Galaxy's Edge.
See you in Batuu.
So some of the folks are being led towards Batuu right now. The line's starting to move. We're getting some breakfast at the Galactic Grill. Got our coffee and hot cocoa. But there's some of the line, and they're gonna start. They're being led by cast members. We're in the crowd, heading towards Batuu. Being here early morning before things have started. Teacups look nice and peaceful. Alice is going in the back. Oh, check it out. They're brushing Monstro's teeth. All right. Just past our check. They checked our wristband. Yeah, this entrance is currently closed, but the wall's down. Kind of see it in the back. Hi, Mick. High five. Woo! All right, bright suns, guys. Bright sun. In case you don't know, there's some specific lingo to the Black Spire Outpost on Batuu. Bright suns is how you say good morning. We're almost there, guys. Getting very exciting. They're scanning our wristbands as we enter. Look at all the rock work as the transition goes from the Old West Frontierland into Galaxy's Edge. So here we go, guys. Yay! They're cheering me. You see the tracks from the transport vehicles and droids and other things. This random thing over here. On all the videos, guys. It's very cool to have the cast members and leadership teams out here to welcome everyone and cheer us on. Kind of makes the moment special. Look at this. Oh, look at this place. This is cool. Yeah, there's a droid unit up there. Even the restrooms and trash cans look cool. You guys hear this? Machines operating here. Wow, look at the big TIE fighter ship, or a transport type ship. The trash bins with the Aravesh on it. Whoa! Oh, this thing is crazy. Look at this ship. Look how cool that is. People already in line. See the First Order banner hanging over here, and this is their little outpost. Yeah, it says First Order troopers up there, at least one guy up there. What do you think?
I don't know.
I know, there's a lot going on.
We lost you because we didn't even know what to do.
So Jeff Dunham's here, guys. He's here taping his own vlog. There's some more First Order troopers that have come out. Standing up by the tanks, got the Coke bottle. Yeah, so here's our hall. So this is the line for the cantina. They currently closed it. It's small. There is a capacity limit. They told us to check back later, so we're gonna come back later. But this is the cantina. We come through the archway. There she is, the fastest Haka-Junk in the galaxy. The freighter, the Millennium Falcon. Oh, it's amazing. So cool. So awesome. Just gonna go around. I just want to show you guys it for a little bit. Don't want to get people's way. We're in a queue to have our photos taken through the photo pass system since we do have the Disney Max pass. Gonna utilize that, but it just looks great parked down here. There's another transport ship at the top of that building there.
I want to touch the Millennium Falcon.
I know, it's so crazy. It is quite overwhelming trying to film and narrate as much as I can, but some of it, we're just kind of taking it in and looking at it. I mean, just look over here. The Millennium Falcon's parked right here, and it's so cool to see up close. I mean, I've heard a few people's comments, and they're right. You see it here, and you just kind of judge the scale, and you can see it. It's amazing. It's really cool. It's definitely childhood dreams and fantasies come to life. So,
really
job well done,
emotional.
Disney and Lucasfilm, and all of the hundreds and thousands of people who helped make this possible. So, great job. It looks amazing. And now we're going to take our photo pass picture. So we're walking around a little bit. Just want to show you here the Smugglers Run. Right now there's a 90-minute wait, which, to be honest, I don't think is too bad. I also feel like at this time, anyone who's in here for the 8 a.m. reservation is already here, so I don't anticipate it being too much longer than 90 minutes. Folks exiting the ride. Cheers. Sounds promising. Better look at one of the trash cans. Oh yeah, it kind of does. There's an elevated view of the Falcon. We're up on the platform. And again, I think I mentioned it earlier, there's a lot of space, it's nice. I'm sure this will change once the reservation period is over, but it kind of depends on whatever Disney decides is the max capacity of the land. I don't know what these people are doing. Kind of wall cover or something. Reminds me of Wayne's World. Maybe they just get paid to go back and forth with that sign. Go into the Den of Antiquities. Ooh. Automatic doors. Oh. Wow, we're met right away with these alien creatures. These are crazy. Oh, so much stuff. I don't know which way to go. Oh, this temple guard. That's pretty cool looking. So this is some of the merch that we've already seen on other like YouTube videos. This mug's kind of cool. Oh yeah, that is a cool patch set. So it's $30 for this set of 4 patches. Here's Yoda's cane, and here's the little tool he steals from Luke in Empire Strikes Back. So when we first meet Yoda, this is what he's trying to take, and R2 fights him for it. Oh, look at him here. So, this little guy. Have a slimy thing. Oh, it's a baby Sarlacc.
That's what it looks like on the ground?
Yeah, look it. So this is the Sarlacc.
You can see its gut.
When it grows up, this is what eats Boba Fett. And there he is. If you guys are following along in the new comics that go up Galaxy's Edge, Han Solo smuggles a couple of these guys back for Doc Arndar, which is how he got him here. Some more creatures up on the wall as trophies. And there's Doc Arndar himself behind the cage. Oh yeah. There's Doc Arndar. Checking all his stuff, probably keeping his books balanced.
Yeah, it's basically
You guys just see the decor in here, just tons and tons of stuff. Here are the holocrons
crystals are
and
almost
the
out.
crystals. So it's a little crowded, but I'm going to try to show you where you can purchase the crystals and the holocrons.
Do you need purple or blue?
Blue. So the red crystals are all over here with the sort of dark side, the Sith side. And the Jedi holocrons are over here, the square ones. They can be opened up like that. So you'll get different messages based on the crystals that you put
Now,
inside.
will they give us the cable to charge it up?
That's a good question. I don't know.
Because none of these have it.
Yeah, maybe they give it. It's very crowded in here, so sorry. I'm trying to film, but also got to maneuver around, so sorry if I'm jumping around a bit, but we just left the crystals. There's some of the statues and other things. This is kind of fun. Look at these hollow chest pieces. Oh, I like this little thing, this little banner for the Empire. On the Imperial Comlink, I think that's really fun. Wow, look at that.
That's cool.
Yeah, look at Marzz found this cool light up
And
little
it comes
sign
with
thing.
this little retractable first order.
Oh
pin.
yeah, so it's kind of like maybe that's what you would
It's
have
an
if you worked on the
It's
if you
an
worked on like the
Imperial
Death Star.
identification card.
Oh yeah, see it is.
It's $20.
So it'd be like if you worked there. They have this little outfit and some Imperial
Oh, look.
hats, the green one. Oh, and you get your photo ID right there. So Matt, the radar technician, would be right
So
there.
it'd be clipped like this, and you'd be like, oh.
Yeah, and then they sell some of the officer rank badges. If you guys saw ours from
Get this, because they
last
like
year's
stuff.
last year's Star Wars Night Disney After Dark event. We made our own, so that's cool. And here's the all the hats. What are these all about? Little rocks with Darth Maul on it and other characters. This one has some sayings on
Only
it.
two, no more, no less.
Yeah.
They're like this. Oh, look, here's the lightsaber belt.
Yeah, here's the belt clip. Lightsaber. It's pretty cool.
Here's the suit patches.
Oh yeah, some more patches and some more notebooks. Here's a display kyber crystal. Oh yeah, look at these things.
It's like
Some
Dagobah.
plant species maybe,
Yeah,
yeah.
it looks like Dagobah.
Like a creature inside there. Whatever he is. And this one is currently empty. The Emperor's cane. It's pretty cool. And here's, I think, a sheath for lightsabers. Princess Leia's outfit and some jewelry. Don't worry, guys. We'll return too, and we'll get some more up close stuff. Like I said, it's really crowded right now, so we're just trying to bounce around what we can. Here's some more. Look at this creature. This thing's weird. It's kind of cool how it's pulsating. It's moving a little bit. Excuse me. And he has a bunch of lightsabers, the legacy blade. Here's a different look at Doc Ondar. Pretty cool. This place is pretty amazing, I gotta say. While Marzz is waiting in line, we'll still talk to Doc Ondar. How you doing there, Doc? It's pretty cool. These are folks here buying the legacy blades. The hilt, and you buy the actual blade separately. Yeah, this place. So this is the Bronto Roasters. Got the droids hard at work. Working the spit. Cooking the heat. And they got a pod racer engine. Sorry. Mine went blank. Pod racer engine here. Looks like a marketplace in here. It's cool. There's one of the little stores. We'll go through here in just a sec. We're gonna stop now and get some popcorn. Show you guys some of those plushies they have here. Porgs and Darth Vader and Rey, Stormtrooper and Jabba. 1999, and he's a cool kind of material. I don't know if you guys can see the texture. But he feels kind of nice. It's supposed to look like homemade, like a child or whatever living on Batuu would have a toy like that. They have a Chewbacca over here. The store itself is themed nice. It's rather busy, so I'm kind of staying out. See the starships up there, the Falcon making its way through the asteroid field, defying the odds, and the big Star Destroyer. Little models of some of the speeder bikes and little ships. This looks like Solo's, the one that he boosts. The marketplace. Again, I'm just loving the theming. It looks really cool. Definitely feels like a market. So we're in the feature shop. Look at this guy here.
I have not seen a pin yet.
This guy's sleeping. We have some raft cars, some dewbacks. I want I'm getting this little guy. Bantha. Bantha. But there's some cool little creatures in here, and of course the forks. There's a wampa. There, now he's ready to go. Alright, Bantha, let's go home. Got his little crates and he's ready to go. This area heads out towards what will be the entrance to Rise of the Resistance and Critter Country. Just want to show you this little shop that's over here. Outdoor area. Look at that Chewbacca wood carving in the forest. It's so cool. Now, as far as I know, these aren't for sale. At least not yet, unless they're in one of the other shops, but they look really cool. There's Doc Ondar. There's these access readers all over the place. You know, we all recognize them. Different droids can utilize them. The doors look cool. They look like they're weathered. They've been here a long time. Here's another one of these things that's just sitting around, a little crate, and other devices and pieces. There's a wall there too, so this is probably on the other side is the train track. Some of the restrooms, and yeah, the water fountains also has a water bottle filler. We'll have to translate the sign later. Glass store. Wonder what this is going to be used for in the future. It definitely reminds me of Jabba's palace. I want that little eyeball thing to pop out and kind of sound rude. So they do have a sign. I had originally read they weren't going to really have signs. I think the idea is they have limited signs. They don't want to clutter it up with a bunch of stuff. And there's some kind of creature tracks here, which is fun. One's here. Some kind of animal. We're walking towards the Resistance area, and Marz's phone just went off, and it kind of alerted her that we're in that area. Oh, look, there's Chewbacca. Wow, and he makes noises. That's so cool.
They're having a Wookiee off. Chewie chills everybody with the beard.
Be nice. He's there. It's a summer coat. Come on, you gotta give it your all. Give it your all. I can't do it. Good battle cry. I like it. Oh, he went full sentence. You know what? I'll let you be. You're the expert here. Say hi to Chewie. Say hi, Chewie. And our victor! That was a close competition. Well done, gentlemen. Thank you. Well done.
What do you think, Nate?
Yeah, that was fun. So Chewie judged our coats and our Wookiee-ese. Wookiee speak? I don't know what they call the language. But yeah, anyways, that was fun. So Chewie's walking through the land, hanging out with people, meeting and greeting.
So tall.
I like that he talks. I didn't realize he could be vocal.
That's cool. Hey, let's keep on moving.
So yeah, let's keep going down, see what else we can. This is the Resistance stand. Some of their merch. Hanging out, the Outpost. X-Wing right there. I love this X-Wing though, and look at the gonk droids that are here at the bottom. These are fun. It's too bad they're not making like their gonk noise. But here's a little outpost with a turret, some laser cannons. And this will be the entrance to Rise of the Resistance. We're heading back into the heart of Galaxy's Edge now. We're gonna go get our blue milk. Then I think we're gonna get in line for Smuggler's Run. So we're gonna take this path coming back this time. We have the train tracks right on the other side of here, along with the Rivers of America. But you wouldn't know it, you can't see any of Disneyland from here. But I like the pathways are pretty wide, there's not a lot of obstacles here. Some first order stormtroopers up here. What are they up to? Oh, and they're above some vehicles. I'm not sure. Oh, good. They're here for our protection. It's good to know.
Routine patrols, no need to worry. Unless you know something about the resistance.
Stacy, they're looking at
Your allegiance should be with the First Order. Be careful, citizen.
Oh no, you've been warned. Still love the pop. Just a great view. We're going. Standby is down to 20 minutes. It was 90 when we were here earlier. We're going through. They are going to have fast pass, it looks like, eventually. We're going through the queue now. Wow, the back of the Falcon. I know. It was cool. They had it like fire up. Oh yeah, some damage to it. Here's my blue milk. It is very good. There's some pineapple flavor. We're about to go on the ride, so I'm gonna finish it real quick. So the door was very dramatic. It slid open.
We're not authorized to pick up the cargo. Picking up the cargo? Good. Then accused us of stealing.
Well, see, now you're breaking up. I cannot hear you. Well,
Don't you dare!
I don't. Unfortunate technical difficulty. Boring conversation anyway. Aha! Another group of flight candidates. Welcome, my friends. Welcome, welcome. What a fine-looking group of flight professionals. You remind me of me, but without the bounty on your heads. Recognize a few of you. You've flown for me before. I can't believe you made it. It's good you made it back. Good for you.
Hondo, one of the engines blew up again.
We'll talk later. I have to do everything around here. Yes. Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Oh, the Reservation of Falcon. Oh no, for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend. Yes, as we agreed. You let us use the ship, we'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? No, the First Order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn.
Here real quick, see what's this is where Chewbacca was when he was injured. This is the medical area.
Yeah, you can see what's in it.
Yeah, the little medical kit.
Was it your fault?
They gave us this, let me show it to you better. So we're purple. So you can hang out in this area, take pictures, walk around. Then when they call your color, you go and then you'll be seated accordingly. So I'm a gunner this time, and I'm color purple.
Oh! What does this do?
I know. It's fun to push buttons, that's it. Alright, here we go.
So this to go up and that to go.
There's my button.
Go ahead and tug on your yellow tab.
I'm
Go ahead and press down.
You can put automatic.
Push press automatic or back.
Give them automatic.
square button.
Push the top square.
Oh. So I think this button was pushed, which activated it, and now I have a
And then the
square
button will
button.
light up and you can push it to shoot. What was it? Alright. So that, Laura, which way is up?
Great job, my friend. You retrieved 2 containers.
Pretty good.
Here it is.
All right, I I am making an executive decision.
accuracy.
Everybody out.
Of Smuggler's Run.
It's really good.
Yeah, it was really a lot of fun. So
I got
Marzz
to
was
be
an
an
engineer.
engineer, so I got to push buttons. So it's like that game Spider where like the little buttons glow and you have to try to get them all to turn off.
Yeah, and so I was
there's
gonna.
a lot of buttons.
Yeah, it was pretty good. And then it tells you your score at the end, so
Yeah,
that's
so
kind of fun too.
For an engineer, it has the Falcon and it fills up green as you're completing your task. If you miss stuff, it starts getting red spots everywhere. And then it tells you at the end your score.
Yeah, so I had a 36% accuracy, so I have some work to do. But it was a lot of fun, great simulator, and we'll definitely be back to ride it again soon.
Yes.
Here's docking bay 7. Here's some of the dining area. All right, guys. So our time slot's coming to an end here on Batuu. We're gonna have to catch a transport back to Earth, but it's been a great time. It's everything that we hoped it would be. It was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Just real quick, we'll probably give you a further breakdown, but the 4-hour time block seemed good.
It was enough.
We seemed to do everything.
Yeah.
The only thing we didn't hit, which you obviously did not see, was the cantina. We were not able to get into the cantina today. It just filled up too quick. And once you're in, you're allowed to stay in there up to 45 minutes. And
You get 2 drinks maximum.
yeah, so you can just kind of do the math on that. It's not a very large place, so it's going to be tough to get in there. We'll try another time, but we rode Smuggler's Run.
That was amazing.
We had, oh yeah, we went shopping, got to the creature store. In fact, we went through every shop, every little kiosk and stand. I know we didn't spend a lot of time in the first order.
But even though we went, even though we went to a few of the stores, there's still lots of things we didn't see inside of them.
Sure, we also got the milk, we got popcorn, we ate at Docking Bay 7.
That was
So,
amazing. I recommend that.
yeah, so I just want you guys to kind of, just to gauge it. We were able to do a lot of stuff. We were happy with the 4 hours here. We thought it was good. I don't know what you guys plan on seeing when you're here, but we thought the
It's
4-hour
worth
time
it,
period
yeah.
was good. So anyways, as always, thanks for joining us, guys.
See you next time.
And we'll see you next time.